Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How do you do?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eri Zulaikha. I'm the teacher of English course. Today, we will learn about greeting and introduction. But before we start our lesson today, let's do a simple introduction. Okay, so I have a ball, small ball. I have a small ball. I will introduce myself. My name is Eri Zulaikha. You can call me Eri. Then I will give the ball. For example, I will give the ball to you. Then you will introduce yourself. My name is, and you can call me. Okay, and then after you introduce yourself, you give the ball to your friends. It's up to you who will be receive the ball, and then we will do until everyone here has introduced their name, your name. Okay?
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Can we start now?
Yes.
Okay, me first. My name is Eri Zulaikha. You can call me Eri.
My name is Ari Rizky Fadila. You can call me Ari.
My name is Anggun Tesasmi. You can call me Anggun.
Okay, please take the ball.
No,
My name is Novi Nur Hamidah. You can call me Novi.
Okay, next. Please take the ball.
Boleh dibocor. Kok awalnya kayak cocok. Boleh dibocor.
my name is Rani Putri. You can call me Rani.
My name is Rahmawati. You can call me Rahma.
Hello, friends.
My name is Iki Lestari. You can call me Iki.
Okay, very good. Keep applause for us. Okay, so today we will learn about greeting. Okay, let's listen and repeat after me. Greeting.
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 You.
Greeting.
You.
Greeting.
You.
Greeting.
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 Okay, I will write
Greeting.
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 Greeting in bahasa means salam or sambutan. So when you meet someone or your friends in a place, in a campus, in a station, in a hospital, in a supermarket, what will you say to greet your friends? Or
Hello.
Hello. Okay. What else?
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Any other?
How do you do?
How do you do? Okay. And then?
How are you?
How are you? Okay. And what else? Okay, that's all. Hi. Hello. Good morning. How do you do? And how are you? Yes. That's all our greeting. Okay. Listen and repeat after me. Hello.
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 Hey.
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 Hi.
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 How do you do?
How do you do?
How do you do?
How do you do?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
How are you?
How have you been?
How have you been?
How have you been?
How have you been?
Okay, good. These are the greeting, and then how we respond for the greeting. For example, if your friend says hello to you, then what have you said to your friends to answer the greeting?
Hello.
Hello. And how about good morning?
Morning.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
If I say how do you do, the response is not I'm fine, thank you, but you just say how do you do? How do you do? Because how do you do is not question. It's not asking about your about you, but how do you do? It has same meaning with hello. It is same with hello. Okay? So when I say how do you do, so you say how do you do? Okay?
Okay.
So in the first at the first of our class, when I say how do you do, you say I'm fine, thank you. It's not the answer, it's not the response, but you have to say how do you do, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will say the greeting and you have to respond. For example, I say hello, then you answer hello. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Yes, the response. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How have you been? It's same with how are you? How have you been? Yes. Your response is I'm fine or fine well, and you have to ask back to your friends. If I say how have you been, you can answer fine well, and you. Okay? Let's begin. How have you been?
Very well, and you?
Okay, good. And then, what will we do next? I will make a group of two. You, Reni and Ari, your first group. Novi and Rahma, second group. Iki and Anggun, the third group. Okay? Please sit opposite your friends, face to face. Okay. Reni and Anggun and Rahma will say the greeting. For example, good morning. Then Novi, Ari, and Iki will say good morning. And then you, Anggun, Rahma, and Reni will say, how are you? Then Iki, Novi, and Ari will answer, I'm fine, thank you. And you? And then Anggun, Rahma, and Reni will say, I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay?
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Anggun, Rahma, and Reni will greet to Iki. Anggun will greet to Iki. Rahma will greet to Novi, and Reni will greet to Ari. And then Ari, Novi, and Iki will respond. And Anggun, Rahma, and Reni will ask, how are you? And Iki, Novi, and Ari will answer, I'm fine, thank you. And you? And Anggun, Rahma, and Reni will answer, I'm fine too, thank you. Just like that. It's simple, right?
Okay.
Okay. Let's do it now.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Very fine.
Very fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine too, thank you.
Okay? Finish?
Finish.
Now, Iki, Ari, and Novi will greet first. You say good morning to Anggun, you say good morning. Okay? Good morning. Please do it now.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Ari.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you.
Thank you. Finish.
Okay, very good. So, how do you do? If I say how do you do, What is your response?
How do you do?
Okay. It has the same meaning with hello. It is not question. So, I will say good morning. What is your response?
Morning.
How do you do?
How do you do?
How have you been?
Very well. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, very good. Now, how if you live somewhere? When you meet your friends, you have talk with your friends, and then you will leave. You will go. What have you said? What should you say to your friends? What will you say?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. And then
Bye.
bye. Okay. See you next time. Good. What else?
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Excellent. What else? Any other? So we can say bye bye, goodbye, and see you. See you later. Nice to meet you, and good night. Okay, listen and repeat after me. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
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 See you.
See you.
See you.
See you.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good night.
Good night.
And what will your friend say to respond your expression of leaving? When, for example, Anggun will go, and then she says to Reni, bye, and then what should Reni say to answer her expression of leaving? She says bye. So when she says bye, she responds bye. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's practice the response. If I say goodbye, you will answer goodbye. If I say see you, you will answer see you too. And when I say nice to meet you, you will say nice to meet you too. Okay?
Okay.
Understand?
Understand.
I will say the expression of leave taking. Its name leave taking. Leave taking is the expression said when you leave someone. Leave taking. Listen and repeat after me. Leave taking.
Leave taking.
Leave taking is the expression you say when you leave someone, when you leave your friends. Okay? I will say the leave taking, and then you will respond. You will respond to me. Okay?
Okay.
When I say goodbye, what will you say?
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
When I say bye bye, you also say
Bye.
okay. Can we start now?
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you.
See you.
See you too.
See you too.
Okay, repeat. See you.
See you.
See you later.
See you later.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Yes. Great. So, good night has the same meaning with bye bye. This is not greeting like good morning, good evening, good afternoon, but good night has the same meaning with bye bye. So you say good night when you leave someone in the evening. When, for example, when your mother, your sister will go to bed, you will say good night, and then your sister will respond good night. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I have a simple conversation between Jennifer and Natasha. Natasha and Jennifer met in a occasion. Would you please write down the conversation?
Yes.
Okay? Would you please write down?
Yes.
First, Natasha said, "Hello, Natasha." Hello, Natasha. And then, okay.
Yes.
No, Jennifer. I mean Jennifer. Sorry, Jennifer. And then Natasha responds, "Hello, Jennifer." And then Jennifer, "How are you?" And Natasha, "Fine, thanks." How are you? Still Natasha, "How are you?" And Jennifer, "Good, thank you." Okay, finish?
Finish.
Okay, we will learn how to pronounce the expression. We have done the reading and the response. Now we will learn how to pronounce it well. Okay? Listen and repeat after me. Hello, Natasha.
Hello, Natasha.
Hello, Jennifer.
Hello, Jennifer.
How are you?
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Fine, thanks.
Fine, thanks.
Fine, thanks.
How are you?
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
The third people on my left side will act as Jennifer, and the three first people on my left side will act as Natasha. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start. Jennifer.
Hello,
Natasha.
Hello, Jennifer. How are you? Fine, thanks. How are you? Good, thank you.
No. Now let's change the role. You will be Jennifer and you will be Natasha. Okay? Let's start.
Hello, Natasha. Hello, Jennifer. How are you? Fine, thanks. How are you? Good, thank you.
Okay. Okay, very well. I have one more conversation between Tanya and Jeffy. They are meet in Singapore. Okay?
Yes.
Let's listen and repeat after me. First is Tanya. Hello, I'm Tanya.
Hello, I'm Tanya.
Don't write anything. Okay. Hello, I'm Tanya.
Hello, I'm Tanya.
Hello, I'm Tanya.
Hello, I'm Tanya.
Then David.
Tanya.
Answer. Hey, I'm David.
Hey, I'm David.
Once again.
Hello, I'm Tanya. Hey, I'm David.
Then Tanya asks, where are you from?
Where are you from?
again. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
And then David will answer, I'm from Indonesia.
I'm from Indonesia.
And Sanya asks, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
And then David will answer, I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
How about you?
How about you?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Okay, once again. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Then Sania will answer, I'm from Singapore.
I'm from Singapore.
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 I'm from Singapore.
I'm from Singapore.
And then David will say, are you attending the English conference too?
Are you attending English conference too?
Are you attending the English conference too?
Are you attending the English conference too?
Then Sanya will answer, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
And then David will say, well, nice to meet you.
Well, nice to meet you.
And then Sanya will answer, nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, let's begin from the beginning. Hello, I'm Sanya.
Hello, I'm Sanya.
Hey, I'm David.
Hey, I'm David.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
I'm from Indonesia.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
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 I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
How about you?
How about you?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
I'm from Singapore.
I'm from Singapore.
I'm from Singapore.
Are you attending the English conference too?
Are you attending the English conference too?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Well, nice to meet you.
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Do you remember the dialogue, the conversation between Sanya and David?
No.
No?
But a bit.
Okay. It's very. I will divide you into two parts again.
Yes.
Three people in my left side will be Sanya, and three people on my right side will be David. Okay. From Sanya. Hello, I'm Sanya.
Hello, I'm Sanya.
And David. Hey, I'm David.
Hey, I'm David.
And Sanya will say, where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
I'm from Indonesia.
What are you doing here?
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 I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
And how about you?
And how about you?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
I'm from Singapore.
Are you attending the English conference too?
Are you attending the English conference too?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, do you remember?
No.
Please.
Once again.
Once again. Okay. You, three of you will be Sania and three of you will be David. Okay?
Okay.
Hello, I'm Sania.
Hello, I'm Sania.
Hey, I'm David.
Hey, I'm David.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
I'm from Indonesia.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm attending English conference.
I'm attending English conference.
And how about you?
And how about you?
Where are you from?
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 I'm from Singapore.
I'm from Singapore.
Are you attending the English conference too?
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 Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, is it easy?
Easy.
Okay. Can you do with yourself? I mean, without my instruction, without my help? Yes. Three of you will be Tanya, three of you will be David.
I'll try.
Yes.
Okay. Can you start now, please?
Hello, I'm Sania. Hey, I'm David. Where are you from? I'm from Indonesia. What are you doing? I'm attending English conference.
And
how
how about you?
And how about you?
Where are you from?
Where are you from? I'm from Singapore.
And then?
Are you
attending the English conference too? Yes, I am. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, very good. Keep up for us. And so, how about the dialogue? Where are they made? They are made in Singapore or Indonesia? Singapore. Okay, Singapore. Why? Because David said that he came from Indonesia. Okay. Now you have learned how to greet to people, how to ask people, how to introduce yourself. Now, how do you introduce yourself to your friends? I mean, introduce yourself in front of your friends, in front of people, in front of audience. So, I will give the example. Okay, I will give the example. Hello, my name is Eris Zulaika. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Indonesia. I live in Indonesia. I'm a student of University of Indonesia. My hobby is watching movies. I like to eat spaghetti. Okay? So, to make you easier, to make you more easy to introduce yourself, I have an exercise sheet. Okay. Please answer your name. What is your name? You answer my name is, and then where are you from? I'm from, maybe you're from Indonesia, I'm from Singapore, Malaysia, and okay, 10 minutes to doing. And what do you do is what your job, what your activity, what your job. For example, I'm a student or I'm a teacher. I'm a chapter like that. Your job. For example, I'm a student, I'm a doctor. Okay, students, I'll be back soon. Are you done? Yes. Are you done? Yes, I'm finished. Yes, I'm finished. Okay. We will wait to your friends. Okay, you finished? Yes, finished. Everybody has finished? Yes. Okay. So, you have answered the question and I will ask you to come forward. You will stand here. You will introduce yourself. You have to first you have to greet, for example, hello, good morning, and then I will introduce myself. My name is blah blah blah, and then after you finish introduce yourself, you have to say thank you. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
So, first, you have to say is hello or good morning. And then let me introduce myself. My name is blah blah blah. And then after you finish introducing yourself, you have to say thank you. Okay? Okay? Okay. We will use the small ball again. Okay?
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. Relax. Take it easy, okay?
Okay.
Everybody ready?
Ready.
Ready, okay. I will give the ball to who will be the first? Remy, please. Then, okay. After you finish, you give ball to your friends. Then your
Okay.
friends will come forward to introduce themselves. Okay, please. Hi, friends.
Hi.
I want to introduce myself. My name is Rani. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Semarang. I'm a student in Senior High School 1 Semarang. My hobby is swimming, dancing, singing, and so on.
Wow.
My favorite food is lontong. Thank you. Okay, very good. Give applause. Okay. She has so many hobbies, right?
Yes.
What is your hobby once again?
Swimming,
Dancing,
singing, and
swimming, singing, dancing. Oh, so many.
Yeah.
Okay, then
shopping.
who is the second person? Hey, Anggun. All of you will got the turn.
in the boarding house. I'm a student in Semarang State University. My hobby is sleeping and my favorite food is udon. Thank you.
Okay, very good. What is your hobby once again?
Sleeping.
Wow, sleeping. Amazing.
You are very amazing.
And it's very useless. Yes, maybe. You have to give the ball to your friends. It's up to you. Yay! Now we will be the third person. Okay, please. Everybody, please.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Alvin. I'm from Korea.
Yes.
I live in Indonesia. I'm studying abroad. My hobby is traveling, and my favorite food is kimbap and ramen. Thank you.
Yeah. So your hobby is traveling. Okay, very good. Then you have to give the ball to your friends. Okay, Rahman. We introduce you. Please pay attention. Please listen to Rahman. Yay. Hi.
Hi. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmawati. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Bekasi. I'm student in Semarang State University. My hobby is reading and watching anime. My favorite food meatball. Thank you.
Yay. Yes. Give the ball to your friends.
I'm good.
Yay. Please.
Good morning.
Morning.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Anggun. I'm from China. I live in Beijing. I'm a student in Semarang State University. My hobby is studying. My favorite food is nasi goreng. Thank you.
Okay. Wow. The last one. Ari, please.
Hello friends.
Hi.
My name is Ari Rizky Nugraha. You can call me Ari. I'm from Japan and I live in Semarang right now. I'm student in Semarang State University. My hobby is playing badminton and my favorite food is takoyaki.
Yay. Okay. Good. Everyone has introduced yourself. And now I will give some review from you. For you, I mean. So, I think I heard some of you say that I'm from Indonesia, and then I'm live in Indonesia, right? Some of you said I'm live in Indonesia. It's incorrect, but the correct one is you say I live in Indonesia. I live in Singapore. I live in Malaysia. I live in Semarang. There is no I'm no. So I live in. Okay. So
Jakarta berarti nggak apa-apa.
yes, it's not problem. You have known each other, right? So let's try to pronounce the question. How to ask this question? Okay, listen and repeat after me. What is your name?
My name is Rani.
No, I'm asking you to listen and repeat after me. Okay?
Sorry.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
What is your hobby?
What is your hobby?
What is your hobby?
What is your hobby?
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
Okay, go ahead. What
What is your name? Where are you from?
Yes.
Where do you live?
Live.
Where do you live?
Live.
Live.
Okay, I'm sorry, I almost forgot. After where do you live? You ask what do you do, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin from the first. What is your name?
What is your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
What do you do?
What do you do?
What is your hobby?
What is your hobby?
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
Okay, so now I will ask you to work in group again, like what we have done in the previous section. Then will be with Ari, Novi with Rahma, Iki with Anggun. Please sit opposite to your friends. Okay? You will ask each other. The first person will ask is Reni, Rahma, and Anggun. You will ask, what is your name? And then Iki, Novi, and Ali will answer, my name is Iki, my name is Novi, my name is Ali. And then Anggun, Reni, and Rahma will ask the second question, where are you from? And then the third question, where do you live? Okay, like that until the last question, what is your favorite food? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start now.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Where do you live?
I live in Indonesia.
What do you do?
I study the university.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is traveling.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is kimbap and ramen. Thank you.
Okay, finish? Now, please, the second person asks to your friend. Please begin.
What is your name?
My name is Rani.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Where do you live?
I live in Semarang.
What do you do?
I'm a student in senior high school in Semarang.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food? My favorite food is lontong.
Okay? So, have you asked to each other?
Yes.
Do you know what is her hobby? Her hobby is sleeping.
Her hobby is sleeping.
Okay. How about you? What do you know about Reni?
Her name is Reni.
What is her favorite food?
Her favorite food is lontong.
Okay. How about you? What do you know about
Her hobby
her hobby?
traveling.
Traveling. Okay, very good. Now, I want you to stand in like opposite to your friends, but I think we have to move the table. Can we move the table?
Yes, of course.
The front table move to the right side and the middle. Okay. Okay. Three people stand here, three people stand here. Stand, not sit down. We don't use the chair. Okay? Give a little space. Space. Okay. Please I want you to ask, for example, hello, my name is, for example, hello, my name is Reni, and then you will answer, hi, my name is Anggun, and then you will ask, where are you from? You will answer, I'm from, for example, Indonesia, and then you will ask again, where do you live? And then you will answer, I live in Indonesia, and then you will ask, what do you do? And then you will answer, I'm a student, like that until the last question. So the first person will ask is the person in my left side, and the people in my right side will answer. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
And then after the left people ask to you, the right people, and then you will ask to your friends. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Understand? Okay. So then after you finish to ask each other, you will move. You move to this place, and you move to its place, and you move to Rahma's place, and you will move to Novi's place, and you will move to Ari's place, and you will move to Reni's place. And then you will do again to ask the live person will ask the right person. Who in the right of me will you who in my left side will say hello first, and then you will introduce yourself, and then you will ask to your friends, and we will do it until everyone has met each other. Okay?
Okay.
So until you back to your first position like this. Is it easy?
Easy.
Okay, let's do it now.
Hello, my name
is Reni.
Hello, my name is Anggun. Where are you from? I'm from
Where do you live?
Where do you live? In Beijing.
Where do you live?
In
What do you do? What is your hobby? My hobby is what is your favorite food? What is your favorite hobby?
My hobby is
What is your favorite food?
watching anime.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food, meatball.
Okay, move. Okay, start.
Hello.
My name is Reni.
Hi, my name is Reni. I'm from Indonesia. Where do you live? I'm from Indonesia.
Where do you live?
I live in Indonesia.
What do you do?
I'm from Indonesia. My hobby is studying, writing, and modeling. My favorite food is laptop.
Okay,
Hello, my name is Aki. Hi, my name is Reni.
Where do you live?
I'm from Indonesia. Where are you from? I live in China. Where do you live? I'm a student in senior high school. My hobby is singing, songwriting, and modeling. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is takoyaki.
okay, move.
Hello, my name is Reni. Where are you from? I'm from Indonesia. Where do you do that? I'm a student in senior high school, Semarang. What do you do? What is your hobby? My hobby is singing, shopping, learning, and modeling. Your favorite food? My favorite food is laptop. My favorite food is takoyaki. Thank you.
Okay, move.
Hello, my name is Reni. Hello, my name is Anggun. Where are you from? I'm from Lombok. Where do you live? I live in Malang. What do you do? Where do you live? I'm in Indonesia. What do you do? What is your hobby? My hobby is my favorite. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite is shopping. What is your favorite entertainment?
My favorite is meatball.
Move. Hello, my name is Arya. What's your name?
My name is
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
From Korea.
I'm from India.
What do you live? What do you do in Indonesia? What do you do? What do you do? What is your hobby?
Thank you.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food, meatball.
Okay, move. Okay, stop. You have met your first partner, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, have you known each other? Do you know your friends in this class?
Yes.
Iki, do you know Ari?
Yes.
Where does he come from?
Indonesia.
Okay, he came from Japan.
Yes.
Novi, do you know Anggun?
Yes.
What is her hobby?
Study.
Study. Okay. Anggun, do you know Iki?
Yes.
What is her favorite food?
Good.
Okay, very good. How about Rahma? Do you know Rahma? What is her hobby?
Swimming.
Swimming. Okay, very good. Now, maybe you can, Anggun and Iki, you can sit here. Novi and Rahma, where is the chair? Ari. Ari and then. Novi with Rahma, please. Just use one. Okay. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to write your friend's identity, your friend's name, your friend's hobby, your friend's favorite food, your friend's where do your friends live? Okay? Yeah, please write down and you can ask to your friends if you don't remember. I give you 15 minutes. Any question?
No. I don't understand.
Oh, just your friend, just Andrew, just your partner. Yes.
Okay.
Just your partner.
Oh.
Just your partner, okay? Okay, everybody, have you finished writing your friend's name, your friend's hobby and favorite food and the other? Yes, I'm finished. Okay. I will show you how to introduce your friends. The previous session you have introduced yourself. Now I want you to introduce your friends. You got it? Yes. I will show you how to introduce your friends. For example, I will introduce my friend. Her name is Jennifer. She is from London. She lives in London. She is a student at Oxford University. Her hobby is watching movies. Her favorite food is spaghetti. Okay, I will read once more. Please listen carefully. I will show you the example. Please pay attention to me. First, you have to greet to your friends, to the audience. For example, hello. I will introduce my friend. Her name is Jennifer. She is from London. She lives in London. She is a student at Oxford University. Her hobby is watching movies. Her favorite food is spaghetti. Thank you. Like that. Do you understand?
Yes.
So, I will ask you to introduce your friend. Are you ready?
Ready.
Yes. Where is the ball? I will use the ball again. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Ready? Okay. Who will get your question? Who will get your question? You. Please introduce your friend.
I am.
Please greet to your friend. Hello or good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
I will introduce my friend. Her name is Rizky. She is from Indonesia. She lives in Daun boarding house. Her hobby is sleeping. Her favorite food is udon. She is student in Semarang State University. Thank you.
Okay. Give applause. Where is the ball? Give to your friend. Your friend. Okay, please come forward.
Hello friends. I want to introduce my friend. Her name is Rahmawati. She is from Indonesia. She lives in Jakarta. She is a student at Semarang State University. Her hobby is reading and watching anime. Her favorite food is meatball. Thank you.
Okay, give applause. Give the ball to your friend. Jangan dilempar. Okay.
Hi friends.
Hi.
I will introduce my friend.
My
friend. Her name is Rizky Rizky Nugraha. She is from Japan. She lives in Semarang. She lives in Semarang. She is a student in Semarang State University. Her hobby is playing badminton. Her favorite food is takoyaki. Thank you.
Okay, give the ball. Okay. Please come forward.
Hello. I will introduce my friend. Her name Novi Nur Hamidan.
Her name is
Novi Nur Hamidan. She is student in Semarang State University. She is from Korea. She is live she lives in Indonesia. Her hobby traveling and her favorite food kimbap and ramen.
okay. Give applause. Give the ball to your friend. Where is the ball? Rahma, where is the ball? Give to your friend. Okay, please come forward. Rizky, Nugraha, please. Hello friends. Hi. I will introduce my friend. Her name is Reni. She's from Indonesia. She lives in Semarang and she's a student in Senior High School 1 of Semarang. Her hobby are singing, shopping, reading and modeling. And her favorite food is Let's talk. Thank you.
Okay.
So, who is last?
I am the last person.
Okay, please. Hello, friends.
Hi.
I will introduce my friend. Her name is Anggun. She is from China. She live in Beijing. She is a student in Semarang State University. Her hobby is study. Her favorite food is fried rice. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I will introduce my friend. Listen and repeat after me. I will introduce my friend.
I will introduce my friend.
Her name is Jennifer.
Her name is Jennifer.
She is from London.
She is from London.
She lives in London.
She lives in London.
Okay? She lives in London, not she is live. But she lives, not she lives in London, not she is live. Okay? She lives in London.
She lives in London.
She is a student at Oxford University.
She is a student in Oxford University.
She is a student at Oxford University.
She is a student at Oxford University.
Her hobby is watching movies.
Her hobby is watching movies.
Her favorite food is spaghetti.
Her favorite food is
Spaghetti.
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 So, she lives in London.
She lives in London.
Not she is live, but she lives in London. Okay? She lives
In London.
and you have to introduce your friend instructor. I mean, when you say her name is, for example, Jennifer, and then she is from London, don't say, for example, she is Jennifer, she is a student at Oxford University. But you have to say in order. You have to say her name first, and where she comes from, where she lives, and what does she do, and what is her hobby, and the last what is her favorite food. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
I will give you 10 minutes to revise your notes. Then you will come forward again to introduce your friend to make it more clear, more correct, to make it correct. Okay? Please revise it like what I have explained to you. Are you done?
Yes.
Yes. Make sure your note is correct. Okay? We will start from the first person who we will start from Anggun again, and then after Anggun is Novi, and after Novi is
Me.
Reni, after Reni Rahma, after Rahma,
Ali.
and then last.
Afif.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ayo. Are you ready, Anggun?
Yes.
Okay, please. Please come forward.
I will introduce
Say greeting.
Hello.
Hi.
I will introduce my friend. Her name is Rizky Lestari Mampu. She
Okay.
is from Indonesia. She lives in Daun boarding house. She is student at Semarang State University. Her hobby is sleeping and her favorite food is gudeg. Thank you.
Okay, ready? Next.
Hello friends.
Hi.
I will introduce my friend.
Okay.
Her name is Rahmawati.
Please be serious.
Her name is Rahmawati. She is from Indonesia. She lives in Jakarta. She is student at Semarang State University. Her hobby are reading and watching anime. Her favorite food is meatball. Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Me.
Hi friends.
Hi. I will introduce my friend. Her name is Ari Rizky. Sorry. Her name is Ari Rizky Nugra. She is from Japan. She lives in Semarang. She is a student at Semarang State University. Her hobby is playing badminton and her favorite food is takoyaki. Thank you.
Yeah. Next.
Hi friends.
Hi.
I will introduce my friend. Her name is Novi Nurhamida. She is from Korea. She lives in Indonesia. Her hobby traveling. She is a student at Semarang State University and her favorite food kimbap and ramen.
Okay. Good.
Hi friends.
Hi.
I will introduce my friend. Her name is Reni. She is from Indonesia. She lives in Semarang. She is a student at Senior High School 1 of Semarang. Her hobbies are singing, shopping, reading, and modeling. Her favorite food is lentop.
Good morning, friends.
Morning.
I will introduce my friend. Her name is Anggun Kesasmi. She is from China. She lives in Beijing. She is student at Semarang State University. Her hobby is study.
Study.
Her hobby is study.
And her favorite food is red rice. Thank
Yay.
you. Thank you. Let everybody be serious.
Sorry.
Okay? Good, everybody. You have introduced your friend. Now, how if we move the table again? Okay, please move. Okay, everyone. After you introduce yourself, now I have an exercise to you to do in group of 2. Okay?
Yes.
You're still in your group with your partner.
Yes.
Please prepare a piece of paper for one group.
Satu grup satu kabar. Oh, belum.
I will write a conversation, but this conversation is still not in order. So your task is to make the conversation in good order. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, I'll write. Okay?
Okay.
Can you read?
Yes.
Please make a conversation from these sentences with your group.
Three people. Two.
Two.
Oh, still my.
Yes. Okay, please do it right now. Do with your group. Make a conversation from these sentences. Make these sentences into good conversation. Like what I have shown you before.
Sorry.
Okay. You may write A and B, or yes, there are Susan and John. Okay, work with your group. You may discuss. Okay, make conversation. Make it in a good order.
Finish. Not yet.
Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Who will read the conversation?
Rainy will read it.
Maybe you will read with your pen first in your sheet. This.
Hello, my name is Susan.
Hi, I'm John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. And you?
I'm from Indonesia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Next, you.
Hello, my name is Susan.
Hi, I'm John. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. And you?
I'm from Indonesia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Next.
Hello, my name is Susan.
Hi, I'm John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. And you?
I'm from Indonesia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, good. Please, once again, repeat and listen and repeat after me. Okay? Hello.
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 My name is Susan.
My name is Susan.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm John.
I'm John.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
I'm from Japan.
And you?
And you?
I'm from Indonesia.
I'm from Indonesia.
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, good. So, we have learned how to introduce yourself, how to introduce your friend, how to greet someone, how to how to say bye bye, goodbye, and so on. And you also have learned about conversation. Now, I will review. Please listen carefully. I will say hello, goodbye, hi, good morning, and which one is not greeting? Okay?
Yes.
First is hello, goodbye, hi, good morning. Which one is not greeting?
Goodbye.
Okay, good. Then second, good morning, see you, hi, hello. Which one is not greeting?
See you.
Okay, very good. And hi, good night, good afternoon, hello. Which one is not greeting?
Good night.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good night. Good night.
Good night. Okay, because good night has the same meaning as bye bye, goodbye, and then hello, how are you? Bye bye, hey. Which one is not greeting?
Bye bye. Hey.
Okay. Once again, I will repeat. Hello. How are you? Bye bye. Hey. Which one is not greeting?
Bye.
Okay. And see you later. How do you do? Hello. Hi. Which one is not greeting?
See you later.
See you later. Okay. Very good. So, we will once again to learn. Now I will review what we have learned. So we have learned about greeting and introduction. What is the meaning of greeting in Indonesia? In bahasa or sapaan. Yes, sambutan. And introduction. What is the meaning of introduction in bahasa? Perkenalan. When you meet your friend in the morning, what will you say to your friend? Good morning. And your friend will respond, morning. Good morning. Okay. How if you meet your friend in the afternoon? Good afternoon. Then your friends will respond, good afternoon. How if you meet your friend in the evening? What will you say? Good evening. And how your friends will respond? Good evening. So, when you say good morning, the response also good morning. And if good evening also, the response is good evening. Okay? I will check your understanding. I will quiz you and you have to answer. I will call you one by one. For example, first Anggun, I will say good morning, then Anggun should respond good morning, like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Hi Iki, how do you do?
How do you do?
Okay, good. Hi Ari, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi Rahma,
Hi.
good evening.
Good evening.
Hi Anggun, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi Novi, how are you?
I'm fine.
And you? I'm fine too, thank you. Hi Remy, how have you been?
Very well, and you?
I'm I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, good. Now, how about leave taking? When you leave your friend, when you meet your friend and you have conversation with your friend and you should leave your friend. What have you say to your friend?
Bye.
Bye. And then?
Nice to meet you.
And what else?
See you later.
And?
Good night.
Good night. Okay. I will check your understanding again. I will say, for example, bye bye. You will respond bye bye. Okay? Okay. I will call you one by one. Bye bye, Iti.
Bye bye.
Okay. Goodbye, Ali. See you, Rahma. Okay. See you later, and you too. See you later. Okay. Nice to meet you, Novi. Nice to meet you too. Good night, Penny.
Good night.
Okay, very good. And I think you have understand about greeting and introduction. So, what we have to do next? Do you still remember about the question to ask to your friends? Do you still remember the question to ask to your friends?
Yes.
What is the question?
What is your name? Where are you from? What do you live? What do you do? What do your food?
Okay. You also have understood about the question to ask about people identity. And what else? Self-introduction, introduce your friends. You have done all of this kind of activity. So that's good for you to do that. You have done a great job, and let's say once again. When I say good morning, you respond good morning, okay? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you?
The next one.
I am fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Thanks. And then you? I'm fine too. Thank you. How have you been?
Very well. And you?
I'm good. Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Okay. I will say nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, very good. Is it easy, right?
Yes, very easy.
Okay. All of you have done a great job. Keep up for us.
Yay!
Because we have learned so much about greeting and introduction. You also have introduced yourself. You have introduced your friends. You have talked to your friend. You have asked each other. So I think it's enough for our lesson today. So I hope today's lesson will be useful for you if you meet foreigner in some places, tourism places, something like that. You can ask their name, their where they come from, where they live. So you will not be what's that? You will not be afraid to ask to foreigner. Do you know foreigner?
Yes.
I mean orang asing. You will easily to ask, hey, my name is Ellie. What is your name? And then you can ask, where do you come from? Or where are you from? So you can make friends with foreigners. Okay?
Okay.
So it is